Good morning, traders. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. It is October 10th, 2023. We are live. This is all pure entertainment. This is for educational purposes only. We're not liable for any losses or damages to anyone's life account, evaluation, or PA. If you do follow our trades, do so at your own risk. You should never follow my trades blindly. You should have your own trades, and if they coincide with mine, then chances are we are on the right direction. If you don't know CL crude oil, either trade the micros, which is the MCL, or don't trade it until you feel comfortable. This is not a casino. Okay? All right. All right, so from now on, when I'm positive on my own trading, I'm going to go and trade the micros only. Not going to go and give back my profits like I did last week or turn profits into losses. So I already took an overnight. I took a morning trade. Hold on, let's see. Make sure nothing is showing here. All right, here we go. So I'm already up. So I don't want to give any of this back. I mean, I should go into sim, but no one should ever trade sim unless you're learning your platform, because sim is you create larger balls than you actually have. It's fake, So yeah, don't trade sim unless you're learning a product or you're learning a platform. It's better to go and trade one micro lot than to trade sim. Okay, so yeah, enough on that. So market is negative. I had my overnight target of 85 and never got hit, but it looks like it may get hit. So I just missed an awesome trade, but I was getting ready here to stream, so I wasn't able to go and take it. If you are new to our channel on our on live stream, there is no chat. So if you have any issues, go and send me an email, and periodically I look at them. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I there was a short at 75, target is 35. I think that trade was happen. Yeah. But the true entry was at 90, so it went all. So it looks like we are on a wave 5, right? So this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and now wave 5. So we're either be done somewhere here, or it may extend. So wave 5 doesn't have to finish after wave 3. It's the only one that can finish before, at, or after. There was a huge 500 iceberg. So if you guys recall yesterday, where was it? Oh man, it was. Oh, this is the MCL. It's not gonna show the trade, but let's see where it was. So it went all the way down to 68, and I complained that I wasn't seeing some like an iceberg or a sweep or something on Bookmap. I didn't have it. I didn't have that specific indicators on. So there was a 500 iceberg. I should have cleared there, and I didn't. I wouldn't have that whole, you know, headache of going negative again. So now everything's on and it's working good. Yeah, I do not trade without Bookmap. Oh, here we are. We're gonna go to target. Oh man, I knew that was a good trade. All right. So it could turn into a runner, and then the final target is my 85. Yeah, if I wasn't streaming, I would have stayed on the trade. I only cleared because then I needed to start setting up. I mean, it takes me 45, anywhere between 30 minutes to 45 minutes to set up. And I don't want to be short 5 contracts and not watching. So I had to exit. Otherwise, I would have stayed on my 85. Yeah. Oh well. Well, I'm happy. I can't complain. I can't complain. I am happy. All right. Today I'm gonna do my live free streaming. That's gonna start in 1 hour. So those are two separate recordings. So I'm gonna log out and re-log back in. If you have nothing to do, please come and join us on our free streaming. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow. Maybe we may not trade tomorrow. There's quite a few reports, so may not trade. I'm gonna look at the overnight action. So tomorrow we have PPI and FOMC. Usually the market moves sideways, so there's not a lot of action. So all right, here we go. All right, let's start looking at the market here. Enough talking. All right, looks like we have some good streaming this morning. All right, let me just check here. See if there's any emails. No, okay, everybody's good. All right. There could be a short opportunity here. There could be a short, high risk trade. All right, I'm going to take a short here. Let's see what happens. So, high risk trade. Why is it a high risk trade? Because we're doing a double bottom and we get buyers here, right? So, I'm going to go and do this. So you could be a little, yeah, hold on. Okay, yeah, we're all set. There we go. Oh, it's not showing there. I need to change two other charts to MCL. Oh, that's going to screw everything up. All right, I'm just going to leave it. So we don't want buyers to come in here. We have point of control up at 64. So it may want to tag that. But we're almost at the overnight. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Get it. Hit it. Yes. Yes. Oh, my God. I wish that this was a full boat. Ugh. But I can't. Yeah, I can't give any money back. Ah, man, that would have been a nice trade. Whew. That would have been a $300 trade. All right, we're trying to go for new lows here. So my true target is 85. We're definitely gonna get a lot of buyers here, so it may want to go all the way back up to 48. I may add, let's see how it deals with making a new low. If it does a poor new low, I'm going to add. I want to see at least 5 ticks. So in crude, it's always ticks until you get to a new whole number. So we are 85 points and 36 ticks. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, sellers. So this is $1 each tick. Yeah, if you're on a evaluation that has less than 100K, you should be trading the mini or the micro. This is the whole CL. So the mini is the QCL and the micro is the MCL. If you're on a evaluation, I would go for the MCL. Once you pass, you feel confident, then you go and you switch up. And if you pass evaluation, never take your first profits. You need to have a stack of chips. Otherwise, you're starting at zero again. All right, I may add here. Oh no, there. Oof! I had a chance to add, but look at that. That was so quick. Wow. Okay, that was too much. Oh, all right. I'm getting out if I have a chance here. I'm getting out. I don't even want to pick. I'm out. All right. That was way too volatile. There could be a long here. I think I may take a long here. Yeah, I'm going to take a long. I'm going to take a long. Oops. Come on, stop it. This is a big trade, so it may not happen, but that I had a hard time. I had a hard time making a new low. Right, D? So the overnight, yeah. Did it even make a new low? It made a 1 tick new low. Yep. And it pulled back a lot. So I didn't. That was not. Yeah. Wish it didn't happen fast enough, but hey, I could be wrong here. We still have some good targets. I doubt that we'll go back to 86, so I just moved it up far. But the true target is 86. So we are doing inside trading. Okay, inside trading happens when the market opens up inside of yesterday's value. So chances are it's going to stay inside of that value unless it breaks out of the prior. So the prior on the downside is 84.65. The upside is 87.27. I may get taken out here. So whichever side it breaks out of, most likely it will do at least a half a move up. So we should either see, if it breaks out, we should see I have a target of 87.50 in the upside. I have a target of 87.66. And then on the downside, I have 83.60. We may even see, no, may no, I have another short-term target of 87.07. So we may just, and we're still going through what? Geopolitical news. So anything bad in the war, I think it makes the prices go up. I think, no, usually it makes prices go up, especially when it's in that region, right? Most of the oil comes from that region. Wow, it's getting volatile. And that took me straight out. Wow. All right. Happy I am in the micros. And we're almost at target. So the first target is 15. See, that is the kind of low that I should have seen at first, and it tricked me. I didn't want to do that. It tricked me. So I got fooled. All right. So now I'm not going to take any longs until we get down to 85. But I will not take any blind trades at 85. All right, there could be a short extension here. I'm going to go and take a short here. Let's see if we could hit 85. Let's see if we could hit 85. But we just had a huge sell run. Hit a whole bunch of stops. All right, we may find resistance here at 36. All right, I'm going to take it already. Oh, bummer. Ah, I missed out on a better fill. Missed out on a better fill. I was going to go and raise it up to 31. Man, I should have stayed with my overnight trade. I would have been up $7,000. Fuck. Sorry for the cussing. Ah, man. All right, I'm gonna leave a runner just in case, because I do have another. I do have 92. Yeah, I cleared way too early. Where did I clear? think it was 54 is where I cleared, I think. 53. Man. All right, so we just had double feeders here. They bought the bottom before it went all the way to 12. All right, I'm going to raise my stop. If it goes back up to 38, I'm going to add 3 more. Shouldn't be doing that because then I'm going to be getting close to a full MCL. I mean LCL. Ooh, look at that. If it hot nice right through 48, we may see a 76. Wow. That's a lot of buying. So this could be a short entry. Ooh, that is, wow, that's a lot of buying. I'm going to give myself a little more room here, and I'm going to add right here. I'm not going to add. I'm going to add 1 more right here. That's a lot of momentum. Wow, we just went up 43 points. So maybe I was right on that long, huh? All the way to 86. All right, I'm going to have to give myself a little more room here. Wow. I might have been right on that long. Yeah, I'm giving this too much room. It doesn't matter if it's a micro or not. It's a lot of room. All right, let's see if I could. So now I'm scaling in. All right, so I gained 5 points on the scale. All right, let's see how it reacts at 50. If we get any buyers at 50, I'm gonna drop my stop to 65, and I'm just gonna take the loss. If it doesn't keep going, obviously, right? So we just hit VWAP and POC. That is a lot of momentum. I think I'm in trouble. So 53 points up. But that is not the biggest rip. The biggest rips is 66 points down. So momentum is still to the downside. Or I may add one more here. Make it an even 8. Come on, sellers. All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on. So I'm looking for an ABC down on a smaller time frame. Oh, no, here comes buyers. All right. So true target on the upside is 76. And then 81. So need to find sellers now. So I'm negative 24 ticks. Yeah, I'm happy I am on the micro. I may have to scratch this even. Let's see how much momentum it picks up on its way down. All right. I'm going to make an even 10 right here. High risk add. Very high risk add. This could be a very stupid move. All right, here comes some selling. Yeah, what a move up, huh? Wow, 50 points. All right, now this can hurt. 10 can hurt. All right, here comes some selling. I may just scratch this and get out at even. So if you're ever gonna scale in, the number one reason to scale in is to bring your entry closer to where you are in the market so you could get out. It's not so you could have more contracts, is so you could get out. So I may exit here at scratch. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh, oh my God. Did I miss the opportunity to exit? I think I might have missed the opportunity to exit. Oh my God, I think I did. Or maybe not. Come on, get me out, get me out, get me out. Oh, they're buying. You know, I'm gonna risk this. Oh, I was gonna split it and put 3 at 28. Oh, bummer. Ugh. All right, back to scratch. Okay, there could be a trade here, a short, but it's on a higher time frame. So the only problem with a trade in a higher time frame, it looks like it's an ABC in a higher time frame. So it would be something like I use Ranko, but it would be maybe a 10-minute would be the equivalent. No. Here you go. It's more like a 5-minute. So this is A, B, and then C down. And first target is 11. All right, there's a report coming out in 10 minutes. Stop. So the entry would be right now. You know what? I'm going to take a one lot here. And the thing with a higher time frame is that you have to have also your stop at a higher time frame. So you're risking more. So first target is 13, and then second target would be my original of what is it, 92? Yeah, 92. All right, we are 34 down. There may be buyers here, so it may bounce out of here. So I think I'm gonna exit and then re-enter if I can. Before I think it might, if it goes all the way back up to 48, I'm gonna lower it again. But so I don't want to see it. I want to exit first before I see a 48. I think I took, yeah, I took too long. Well, there it is. Bummer. Wow, a lot of buyers came in. Okay, that is too strong of a move. I think we're going back up to 86. I'm going to give this 2 more ticks. But all right, something is happening here. I'm having a freeze here on one of my charts is freezing. Yeah, one of my charts is freezing. And this only happens with the micros. I don't know what it is with the micros, but it also used to happen with the micro ES. Oh, let me see if there's any emails here. Anybody has any questions? Oh, I shut it. Shouldn't have shut it. All right. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you for letting me know. I completely forgot to check audio and video. Thank you. Okay. Gotta write an email here real quick. Someone's having a hard time logging in. Yeah, I should have exited. Right, I may scratch this trade here. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna scratch this if it lets me out. Maybe I'll even lose a couple of ticks. Yeah, not happy with it. I could still be right, but I I'm not happy how it's there's just a lot of buying pressure. So I think what they're doing is value areas, value low all the way to the mid. So now next step would be to pass the mid and go all the way up to the higher value area. All right, yeah, and I had my sound on low. Okay, I need to keep my sound on my squawk because there was just news. Oh, it was a while ago. So, salve a salvo of rockets fired from South Lebanon towards Israel. That was at 7:42. 7:42. Does that coincide with a move? Yeah. Look at that. So it actually happened around here, right? It happened here because the news is not it's not instantaneous. So they have to get the news and then they go and announce it. So this drive up here was the rockets. So we may be on an upward move. On that note, I'm gonna take a long. I'm gonna take a long. I'm gonna clear. I'm gonna leave a runner. So I'm not just taking a blind long. I'm taking a long because there has been support right here, right? All of this has been coming down. They buy, coming down. They buy. So first target on the upside is 75, but we need to hot knife right through 64. We need to hot knife this area here because it's where POC and VWAP. So this is also, I'm seeing ABC that could turn into a wave 3. Go, go, go. Get me out. Get me out. Now, these are I say this all the time, and I'll always repeat so it gets in your brain. Hardest days to trade are inside days because you have to figure out where the bottom is and where the top is. It's the hardest. Go. Oh my God, it almost got me out. Go. Come on. Oh, we have a report out in 1 minute. All right, I'm getting out early here. I'm out. Report is coming out. Report is coming out. All right, I'm going to put stop at entry just because of this report. I need to go and change my report to 5 minutes, not 10. Yeah. When I'm streaming, I'm talking, I forget about it. When I'm in my own, I'm more focused on the alarms. If you're profitable, take your chips and run. No need to stick around. This is not entertainment. Learn to shut off the computer. Learn to walk away. You got to practice that. Uh, this is if you get entertained by trading, you're going to lose money. If you're entertained by money by trading, then you like the adrenaline, and chances are you're going to lose money. This is not entertainment. This is work. I mean, obviously, you want to have fun also, but never get entertained, because then you start chasing that adrenaline rush of always trying to get entertained, and that becomes a habit, and then you start to lose money because then you start to take risk so you can get that same rush, and that's how you lose money. All right, glad I got out. All right, I have some guys doing some work in my house here, so there may be some noise. It looks like we may go all the way down to 85. Right, we may have a buying opportunity there, at least for a 15-point scalp. I'm not gonna go and take it, but we could have a buying opportunity here, and may want to go and test 48 again. So I think has picked up momentum, so I'm not gonna do anything. But I may take a long at 16 double bottom for a scalp. So it's getting quite choppy here. Oh, and there it is. Boom. Target. All right, I'm going to take a short. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Give me that 26. I'm going to split one if I have time. So it may struggle at 35. So we need to hot knife right through 35. So I'm risking 31 to make about 75. But this was fast and furious, but all selling pressure, right? Look at that candle. They may want to go to 64. All right, I'm just going to take the loss. Wow. Yeah, so again, I think they're doing value area low and going up. Yeah. The hardest days to trade because you get tricked. You think it's going to go, and boom, they come in buying strong. So I got tricked. Good morning. I got tricked big time. So they keep coming back all the way to VWAP. There could be a selling opportunity here because VWAP and POC are overlapping. They were. Should have acted a little fast. It could have been a short S64. Right at the bottom of that hot box. Yeah, I think it moved already. So what are we seeing? We're seeing it having a hard time going short, right? Hard time. Oops, I don't want to do that. Hard time going short. but it's still also struggling to make new highs. So something has got to give. All right, another report in 5 minutes. Stop. So either it's going to launch from here or it's going to go and test 35 again and then launch. So I think that this area here is support. So I just been wasting commission. Don't recall what I started out with, but I'm at 33.41. I think that's what I started out with, wasn't it? Something like that. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about the micros is that you pay the same commission as the full boat. All right, hidden order. Looks like it's an iceberg. All right, 100 iceberg just hit with some stops. So it printed as a sell, but is it a sell? Don't know. I think it's a buy, or someone cleared. I'm tempted to take a long here. All right, I'm gonna go and take a long if it goes down to 48. High risk trade. Oh, one tick away. Do not launch without me. God, the spread on the micro is so different than on the full boat. All right. High risk trade here. I'm going against the trend. I'm looking for a support trade here. So this is pure support and resistant trade. So I'm taking a trade off of support. I want to see if 48 holds. It's been a magnet, right? But we need to hot knife that POC and VWAP. POC is at 60, VWAP is at 64. So not the best risk versus reward. I'm risking, what am I, 57 to make 75. Right, need to hot knife this, so we need to keep an eye on how good of a job is it doing passing this area If I see it that it keeps failing up here, I'm gonna, if I'm able to, I'm gonna try to exit at scratch. So we need to hot knife 64. And here comes some selling. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, selling again. All right, I gotta do something here. I have my stop to drop, but I need to move a chart. All right. So my stop is floating, and if I'm able to, I'll drop it right at 50. Oh, another iceberg. Oh, all right. So another 100 iceberg at the same location. So are they trying to protect this area, or is this what they need to clear it? If we can't get above 66, then it's a sell iceberg. So if it's a buy, they're trying to create momentum, a snowball effect to clear 64. So they're showing everybody their, it's kind of hidden intention, because an iceberg is hidden, but when it prints, everybody sees, and then people start thinking, oh, okay, so that was their whole intention the whole time. So let's follow them. What do they know that I don't know? Or let's go with momentum, because then you're following the vacuum, right? I don't know if you guys watch Formula One, but if you want to pass a guy, you need to be behind his vacuum because you have less air resistance. All right, it's struggling. It's struggling. Ah. All right. All right. I'm going to just assume the risk. So I'm going to go and risk 30. But look at that. It completely, it just couldn't do it. It just couldn't do it. You know, I still think it's a good trade, but it's been so up and down that I don't want to risk it. So I'm trading this like I'm trading CL. You know, even though it's less. So I'm looking at $300 worth 3 contracts here. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. I should have cleared some at 58. Right, if we don't find any buyers here, it's gonna go and test 33 again. I mean, there could even be a good idea to go and add. You know what? I'm gonna add. Let's go. Let's go. It did find buyers. Come on. We need to hot knife 60. Now it's stretched a little bit more now. So the hot box starts at 60. Come on. Come on, buyers. And I'm going to go and split this. Am I going to split it? No, I'm not going to split it. So now I'm risking 69 to make 141. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving in 5 minutes. I need to take a little break before I do the live stream. Please come and join us. I'm tempted to go and clear 3 at 60, risk off. All right, I'm going to do that because I need to go and leave. And I'm not going to be able to properly monitor this trade. All right. All right, so I got some risk off already. Let's see if we could hot knife 65. So I got risk off, but because I scaled then, my stop is lower, right? So I should also raise that. Otherwise, I'll be giving the same amount back, right? So I'm going to raise my stop. Yeah, I'm seeing it's looking more and more like we're going to go and test 86. Or they could be trapping us. They could be trapping buyers. Wow, look at ES. 42 points. Huh. So they tricked a whole bunch of sellers on Sunday with that negative 30. Wow. Man, it was all the way down to 4,300. That's big moves. 240 on the YM. Wow, at the opening, it just launched. Yeah, whoever went long at the opening is having a good day. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving in 2 minutes. All right, guys, I'm out of here. All right, so yeah, I'll be going live in about 10 minutes, okay? Oops, there's another trade here. Oh, yeah, there's another trade here. Buyers just came in strong, so it found support. Took me out and it found support. All right. Ugh. I should have kept it where it was at. All right, I'm gonna try it one more time here, just in case it happens while I'm setting up. All right, guys. All right, one more time. All right, I'm leaving, guys. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thanks for watching.